Hi all, welcome to Dinners with Dave. Today I'm going to teach you how to make cashew cream. If you're not familiar with it, cashew cream is a wonderful plant-based substitute for heavy whipping cream and half in your cooking. You can use it in sweet dishes, in savory dishes. It goes wonderfully in soups and sauces, and quite honestly, it couldn't be any easier to make in your home kitchen. You just need 2 ingredients, cashews and filtered water, and a little bit of time, I guess, to let the cashews soak. Let's get started. We need 1 cup of raw cashews. Now we're going to put the cashews into a jar or a bowl. We simply cover them with filtered water. Let's put the lid on, and we are going to put these in the refrigerator overnight. 12 hours is ideal. If you are in a pinch, 2 to 3 hours you can probably get by as long as you have a high-speed blender. So just so we don't have to wait 12 hours, I do have some cashews that I have soaked overnight. I have strained them and rinsed them at this point. Now we're ready to make the cream. So what we're going to do, again, it's 1 cup of raw cashews. Very important that they're raw and not toasted or salted. We're going to go ahead and put them in a high-speed blender. If you don't have a high-speed blender at home, that's okay. You may need to strain the cashew cream through a fine mesh sieve, but in either scenario, it'll come out the same. To this, you want to add about 1.5 cups of water. If you want it thinner, add a little bit more water. If you want it thicker, add less water. The nice thing about this recipe is that you have control over the consistency of the end product. What we're going to do, lid on, we are going to start at a low speed, turn the blender on, and let this run for about 2 minutes. This looks perfect. Let's go ahead and put this into a jar for storage. Now this will keep refrigerated for about 7 to 10 days in your refrigerator, or you can freeze it for up to a couple of months if you don't end up using the whole thing. If it separates at any point, just go ahead and throw it back in the blender or give it a whisk and it should come back together nicely. If you're looking for recipes or ideas how to use this, check out my pumpkin and butternut squash soup with cashew cream. If you like this and you found this recipe helpful, so many more recipes coming your way. Please subscribe below, give me a like. Thank you so much for joining me, and bon appetit. 1 cup of cashews. For those that don't know, cashew cream. Have cashews that have soaked overnight. I have strained them, rinsed them.